Map lights are located above the rearview mirror. Press these switches to turn the corresponding map light on or off. The interior lights will automatically illuminate and remain on for a period of time when the doors are unlocked by the intelligent key, mechanical key, or the door handle request switch while all doors are closed and the ignition is off, or the doors or liftgate are open. When the on switch is pushed, the interior lights will illuminate. When the door off switch is pushed, the interior lights will not illuminate unless individually pushed. The rear personal lights can be turned on or off by pressing this button. This switch controls the light in the cargo area of the vehicle. When this switch is in the on position, the cargo light illuminates and remains on. If the switch is moved to the door position, the cargo light illuminates and will remain on as long as the liftgate is open. When the switch is in the off position, the cargo light will remain off regardless of liftgate position. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.